Hello and welcome back to Save Ourselves. Or if you're new here, then hi, I'm Aparna. In the previous video, I shared a list of lists that you should start making right now. So this video is part 2 of that series and it's called Another List of Lists That You Should Start Making Right Now. If you missed the first part, I'll link it up above and also in the description below, so do check that out. And now without further ado, let's jump right in. Number 9 is a list of habits you want to form in life. In each one of us lives our ideal self, which acts like a North Star and keeps us from doing things that we won't be proud of. While we may not listen to this part of us all the time, we can do one good thing for that part of us, which is making a list of all the habits that we would like to form in life. We can then start working through this list one by one. Number 10 is a list of resources for your projects. So these can be multiple lists, whether it's a set of videos that you have saved for your own workout regime, a list of go-to recipes for your everyday meals, a list of DIY projects that you want to make, or this can just be an extensive list of resources that you might need for all the projects and hobbies that you undertake. These turn out to be very handy while doing that project and gives us a direction and guidance to carry out that task. Number 11 is a list of values and principles that you believe in. We can hardly call ourselves millennials if we've not had our fair share of identity crises and have never doubted our own belief systems. A part of growth is to evolve our beliefs and values over time. Making this list is a good way to remind ourselves of what we really believe in and whether it still holds true after a few years. So, making this list at the beginning of every year can be a good way to see how you've changed or not changed over the years. Number 12 is a list of mindsets or quotes that really resonate with you. So, similar to the earlier one, keeping a list of quotes and mindsets that you've gotten from other people is a great way to keep getting inspired and learn something new. It's also a reminder that a lot of people have similar thoughts as yours, and that in a way we're all connected by these similar thoughts and beliefs. These quotes will also definitely come in handy if you're going through a rough patch in life and need some inspiration to lift you up. Number 13 is a packing list or an everyday carry list. I always make a list of things I want to carry before I travel anywhere so as not to forget any important stuff. It also helps you not overpack and be mindful of how much you're carrying. Another list in the same category is to have a list for your everyday carry. If you go to work or school, then there are a few must-have items in your bag. This is when this list will come in handy by reminding you of all the necessary stuff you need to pack for your work day. Number 14 is a list of things you should check before you leave the house. I always get the feeling that I've left my hot water on when I leave for work every morning, when in fact I automatically turned it off without fail. To get rid of this disturbing feeling, it can be a good idea to have a list of things to check before you leave the house stuck next to your door. Things like shutting all your windows, turning off the stove and electrical appliances, and similar stuff. This leaves you worryless as you head out the door every day. Number 15 is a list of all your brilliant ideas. Trust me, make this list. We often think that our brains have this wonderful capacity to remember some of the thoughts that just enter our mind a couple of times, but so often these thoughts are tossed in the mental trash bin. And trust me, that bin is overflowing, so don't even bother trying to sort through that mess. Instead, keep a list of all the ideas you get randomly throughout the day, and you never know which one might turn out to be your golden goose. A lot of the ideas that I get for Save Ourselves are these random thoughts, and they turn out to be my better work for most of the time. Number 16 is a list of all the things you want to learn about. Quarantine definitely gave me a good chunk of time to learn, and I loved that feeling. I have a lot of interests, so it's kind of difficult to actually have proper learning sessions going on. But my goal is to be a lifelong student and learn more about the things that I'm curious about, which is why I recommend this list. It's refreshing to take a break from your usual field of work and learn something about various things in life. Keep this list handy to keep the student in you alive. I hope that this video, along with the previous one, were helpful for you in at least some way. For more resources on this topic, feel free to check out the blog post that's linked in the description below. You'll find a free downloadable worksheet along with it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up to let me know. Tell me about your favorite list in the comments below. And subscribe to my channel for more content on productivity, organization, and self-help. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.